Hi friends, welcome to this next video in my video series Emotions and Feelings. Friends, I have been discussing with you the factors that impact how you feel and what kind of emotions arise in you. Sometimes in certain kind of situation, a society or a group, social group tells you by ways of some sentences or by ways of something you have seen while growing up in that society or social group. Based on that, they communicate to you that in a certain situation, this kind of emotion you should develop. That was my first point. Then, what happens is they also tell you how you have to express this emotion, how you have to behave, or how you have to react when you are feeling this emotion in that situation. That means they also tell you or they also hugely impact the way you are expressing your emotions. For example, consider a child failing in one country. In one of the countries, it would be told to the child that if he has failed, then he should feel guilty and shameful. And the way of expressing guilt and shame might be that he stay depressed, or that the ultimate expression of guilt or shame is that he commits a suicide. That is a very bad kind of thing, and that is what is destroying children in some of the countries. On the other hand, in another country, where upon failure, a child is made to reassess himself. That is, he decides, he looks why he failed, and he then searches other things to know his interest and then pursues that field or that career for growth, success, and happiness. So, friends, the kind of emotions which you feel in a certain situation and the way you are expressing them, that is impacted based on what your society or social group has told you to be right and wrong. To make it more clear, I say that your society or social group, by means of direct or indirect communication, communicates to you which emotion is to be felt in a certain situation and what is the best manner in which that emotion has to be expressed in the very same situation, and what is the best manner in which that expression should be reacted to internally. All this is impacted this way. And the third way in which culture or society impacts, I will discuss in my next video to this series. So friends, this knowledge I bring to you through totally authentic and well-researched scientific resources, and also I try to bring them to you in as simple language as I can. If you have any queries or if you need my help with anything, you can contact me. My contact details are flashing on the screen time and again. Thank you, friends.